I've been getting a lot of questions lately about a supplement called Dentitox Pro, an oral health supplement. In this video, we're going to talk about the ingredients, the research on the ingredients in Dentitox Pro, customer complaints, and how to get a refund if it's not working for you. So here's the Dentitox Pro supplement facts label, and for the most part the ingredients look pretty standard for what I expect from an oral health supplement. But I also want to call your attention to the other ingredients listed off the side of the right. The first thing that jumps out is that they spelled glycerin wrong. Hopefully the company fixes that. But I'd also call your attention to xylitol, which I think is an important part of Dentitox Pro. Studies show that xylitol appears to help prevent cavities. Xylitol also appears to act as a prebiotic, feeding good bacteria in the mouth. That can also play a role in oral health. Additionally, other research suggests that the combination of xylitol and glycerin, which Dentitox Pro also has, reduces cavity-causing bacteria in the mouth. Because of this, I think both glycerin and xylitol are key ingredients in the Dentitox Pro formula. Okay, so what about some of the other ingredients in Dentitox Pro? Well, when researchers analyzed over 6,000 guys in Korea, they found that those who not only had low calcium levels, but also low potassium intake tended to have fewer teeth. Dentitox Pro provides about 350 milligrams of potassium, which is roughly about 10% of the daily value for this mineral. Most people are probably not deficient in zinc, but this mineral does appear to play a role in reducing cavities, gum disease, and even the development of bad breath. Another ingredient in Dentitox Pro is neem, which is the name given to an evergreen tree whose real name I'm not even going to try to pronounce, but regardless, extracts from neem bark have antibacterial effects and are even found in some brands of toothpaste. Licorice also has some evidence that it reduces cavity-causing bacteria, and at least one investigation has demonstrated that licorice lollipops reduced cavities. Okay, so I'm going to stop the ingredients portion of the review at this point because the further down you go, the less of it has. But all of this begs the question. The real question here is, does Dentitox Pro, the supplement, have any clinical proof it reduces cavities, freshens breath, or battles gum disease? It doesn't look like it. No proof of clinical research on the supplement itself can be found on the Dentitox Pro website either. Now, while the Dentitox Pro website does list an impressive list of scientific references, none of them is specifically about the Dentitox Pro supplement itself. So lack of specific evidence doesn't necessarily mean it doesn't work, but it would be nice if there was some clinical research on Dentitox Pro itself. Now, as for the Dentitox Pro refund policy, this is important. Pay attention to this. They say that Dentitox Pro comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. However, look closely here because they say that the 60 days begins after they ship it to you, not when it arrives at your home. It's going to take a few days to get to you, so you're actually getting a little less than 60 days to test drive Dentitox Pro for yourself. Also, and this is very important too, keep all the bottles you purchase because to get a refund, you must return all the bottles that you purchased to the Dentitox Pro company. If you don't return the bottles, you will not get a refund. And if you're trying to get a refund on Dentitox Pro, send all the bottles back with your identifying information to this address: 19655 East 31st Drive, number 100, Aurora, Colorado, 80011. And also, to be extra careful about getting your refund right, I suggest emailing the Dentitox Pro company first so you're including all of the information they need from you. Now, the last time I checked the Better Business Bureau, they gave the Dentitox Pro company an F rating. And the reasons for this included how long the company was in business, and also they had some issues with how the company operates. And that's a little vague, unfortunately. That said, when I checked, there was only 2 complaints listed with the Better Business Bureau, and the company responded to those complaints. Now, as for Dentitox Pro customer complaints, the Better Business Bureau listed this, where a customer complained about ordering Dentitox Pro and person had some difficulty with it arriving at their home and also problems reaching their Dentitox Pro customer service. The Dentitox Pro company responded by issuing the person a full refund. So if you are having some issues with this product, definitely leave a comment on the Better Business Bureau website. The company does respond to comments posted there. But this was the only negative comment that was posted the last time this was checked. So I would say check out the Better Business Bureau website for updates by the time you see this video. Now, as for side effects of Dentitox Pro, there's no side effects known, and generally the ingredients in Dentitox Pro are pretty innocuous, so I think if side effects do occur, they're probably few and far in between, but that doesn't mean there might not be. So to reduce your chances of any adverse effects if you take this supplement, I would suggest taking less than is recommended for the very first week. In other words, give your body time to adjust to the supplement, and that's wise advice for any new supplement you take. If you are having surgery, stop taking Dentitox Pro at least 2 weeks beforehand unless your doctor tells you otherwise. Definitely talk to your doctor if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. That's pretty standard for most dietary supplements. Vitamin K, which is in Dentitox Pro, might interfere with some blood thinner medications, so if you're taking blood thinners, do your due diligence and speak to your doctor or pharmacist. And lastly, licorice might raise blood pressure, which may be a problem for some people who have hypertension. So I have heard from some people who've said they've benefited from taking Dentitox Pro. That said, I would like to see a couple studies on the supplement, just to be sure. If you've tried this product, leave a comment below and let me know. And if you want to see more in-depth reviews on supplements like this, leave a comment below. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, leave them in comments below as well, and I'll add them to my list. Until next time, I'm Joe from supplementclarity.com. Take care.